PQC seeks to safeguard cybersecurity in the post-quantum age by replacing weak algorithms with quantum-resistant ones. Google Cloud SREs will be more interested in artificial intelligence's AI characteristics, such as machine learning, as technology becomes more accessible. Microsoft Azure is introducing Azure AI Foundry Labs today, a platform for developers, entrepreneurs, and businesses to investigate groundbreaking discoveries from Microsoft research. One creative way to lower the cost of device deployment and provisioning is with Microsoft Windows Autopilot. Introducing the new OPPO X2 Watch, a smartwatch with unmatched battery life, luxurious design, and advanced health features. The GeForce RTX 5070 Ti and RTX 5070, powered by NVIDIA Blackwell, offer performance that will change the game. Play games with DLSS 4 at high frame rates, unleash your creativity with NVIDIA Studio, and use AI to create new experiences. The world's top smart device manufacturer, OPPO, declared that its flagship foldable smartphone, the OPPO Find N5, is available everywhere. Intel AI Assistant Builder enables developers to create, optimize, and deploy AI-powered assistants with cutting-edge technology. With every component of the controller constructed to the highest SCUF standards, the SCUF Valor Pro Wired offers Xbox and PC gamers a significant competitive edge by providing an unheard-before degree of speed and control. Google Cloud Serverless Container Platform is called Cloud Run. To put it briefly, it enables developers to take advantage of container runtimes without worrying about the infrastructure. For more such content, subscribe to our channel.